Quality of care and innovative technological applications go hand in hand in the healthcare industry. For this, IndigoCare developed iTrack, a complete wireless call system, including RTLS. Hereby, alarms and nurse calls are broadcasted on a special frequency. BLE technology is used for positioning. Every single second, a signal is sent out to determine the current position, so the exact location will be displayed in case of an alarm. This call system with smart sensors enables your staff to react faster and more efficiently in case of a call. RFID technology is used for wander detection and door monitoring. Individuals suffering from dementia or wandering behaviour often have problems orienting themselves and leave the care facility unintentionally. Now, when monitored, individuals approach an exit door. This door will close automatically and an alarm signal is sent to the nursing staff. Would you like to know more about iCall, or do you need help with your future project? Contact us or go to www.indigocare.com.